just show you how to set the sat nav. You can either switch nav on from there or select it using this thumb wheel. But destination, select, address input, select, map, country, town, street. So we'll go for, and then at the bottom you've got postcode. That's the one we need, postcode. We are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walton Leydale, Preston, PR. It defaults there to numbers 5, 4. Oops, go back. JS. So that's Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walton Leydale, Preston, PR5, 4JS. It's highlighted there, select, and then as you can see there, you're on start, click to start.
Your route is being calculated. Please make a U-turn if possible and then immediately turn right.
Well, we're on the forecourt, so I've confused it a little bit. But that's how to set the sat nav.